Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get voice chat in Roblox Mobile with ID. Voice chat enhances your experience, allowing real-time conversations with friends and other players in supported games. To ensure a safe and secure environment, Roblox requires users to verify their age through a quick identity check. This process is straightforward and keeps the platform secure for everyone. We will walk through each step, making sure you understand how to enable this exciting feature on your mobile device. Before proceeding, it is essential to meet a few basic requirements for voice chat eligibility. You must be at least 13 years old, a mandatory safety measure for interactive features. Additionally, your Roblox account must have a verified email address or a confirmed phone number linked to it. These steps are in place to secure your account and enhance the safety of the Roblox community, ensuring a positive experience for everyone involved. To verify your identity, access your Roblox account settings on mobile. Locate the Verify My Age option to start. You will need a valid government-issued photo identification, like a driver's license or passport, confirming you are at least 13 years old. The system securely guides you through scanning your document and taking a quick selfie. This efficient process usually takes only a few minutes, ensuring your privacy and confirming your eligibility for voice chat. Once your identity verification is complete, which typically takes just a few moments, you can enable voice chat. Navigate back to your Roblox privacy settings on your mobile device. Here, you will find the Enable Voice Chat toggle switch. Simply turn this on. Remember to always review your privacy settings, allowing you to control who can communicate with you, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience within the Roblox universe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.